in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon in Elementor, a powerful and versatile page builder for WordPress that can transform your website's look with just a few clicks. Whether you're a professional designer or a newcomer, knowing how to utilize icons effectively can significantly enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your site. Let's dive right in and explore this process together. First off, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the page you want to edit by either selecting it from the Pages section or directly using the Elementor editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the section where you'd like to add an icon. If you're starting fresh, you might want to add a new section by clicking the plus icon on the page. For an existing section, simply hover over it and click on the pencil icon to edit. Next, you'll see the Elementor widget panel on the left. From here, scroll down until you find the icon widget. This is where the magic happens. Click and drag the icon widget and drop it into your desired column or section on the page. You'll immediately notice a default icon appear, but don't worry, swapping it out for one that suits your needs is a breeze. On the left-hand panel, under the Content tab, you'll see an option to choose an icon. Click on that, and a library of icons will pop up. Elementor provides a comprehensive selection of icons to choose from, so you're bound to find something that matches the theme of your site. Once you've found the perfect icon, select it and hit Insert. Now, let's talk about customization. In design, details matter, and altering an icon's size or color can make a big impact. In the widget panel, just below the icon selection, you'll see options to adjust these elements. Make sure the icon size and color align with your site style by experimenting with these settings. Adjust the slider for size until it fits your vision, and choose a color that complements your brand palette. After you've styled your icon, pay attention to the alignment under the Content tab. Options include left, right, or center alignment, so make your adjustments and ensure that the icon enhances your design and draws user attention effectively. Don't forget about the link feature if your icon serves a functional purpose, such as leading visitors to another page. Just below the alignment settings, there's an option to insert a URL. This simple addition can increase engagement by making your icons interactively useful. Before we wrap up, remember to save your work. This can be done by clicking the Update button located at the bottom of the Elementor panel. Saving frequently ensures that all your hard design work is not lost, especially if you encounter unexpected disruptions. And there you have it, adding and customizing an icon in Elementor is a straightforward process that can elevate your site's design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to refine your web design skills.